Hey guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to show you how to make the easiest fruit pizzas. Now my cousin Diana, she always made these for me when I was a little girl and they were such a treat. So I'm going to show you the easy way to make these. Okay, what you're going to need is some Pillsbury cookie dough. And this is just sugar cookie dough. You're going to need some Pillsbury cream cheese icing. You're going to need your favorite fruits. So I have kiwi, strawberries, and grapes. I could not find any blueberries, but blueberries and strawberries would look so pretty for the 4th of July. You're going to take your cookie dough and you're just going to follow the directions on the package. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350. And we just sliced our cookies about a ½ inch thick. And in my oven, it only took about 10 minutes for them to bake. So just make sure you check your cookies often. Make sure on your fruit that you wash it, make sure it's really clean, dry it off, and then slice it. Now this is a fun dessert that after you have everything cooked and sliced, kids love to help decorate these fruit pizzas. Now if they don't want fruit on theirs and you're okay with them doing sprinkles, it's fun to do sprinkles on their cookies too. So lots of options with these little cookies, especially for the holidays. This is a great 4th of July treat for parents and grandparents and just friends to get to do together because you can make it however you want. Okay, so I've got my fruit sliced thin and I've got my cookies in baking, and check them often. We just kind of like our cookies to be kind of crisp and golden brown around the edges. Try not to overbake them, and you're going to want to, when you pull your cookies out of the oven, make sure you set them aside and let them cool completely before you do anything with them. You can make these in advance, about an hour or two before your guests arrive. Now if you're using like raspberries and blackberries, make sure that you dry them really good and don't put them on until about the end because the juice will run out onto the icing and be a little bit messy. But this is what my cookies looked like after 10 minutes. And then I just let them completely dry. And this is the cream cheese icing I like to use, and it's Pillsbury, and it's so good. Now you don't have to use the icing if you do not want to. You can make it a little bit healthier option if you choose, or you could use cream cheese. There are several versions of this fruit pizza. Some people like to use a pizza pan and make one big fruit pizza, or you can do the individual pizzas, and that way people can choose their fruit. I don't know who to give credit to for the original recipe, but like I said, my cousin Diana was making this for me when I was like 10 years old, and so she's been making it for 30 years. So, you know, I don't know where she got her recipe, but I know she was a school teacher and she used to take it when they'd have special occasions, and she'd have it in the teacher's lounge for the teachers to enjoy. But here, my cookies are cool, so now I'm just taking the Pillsbury icing and icing my cookies. And you don't want to put it like super thick, but you do want to put enough on it that your fruit stays on it. And then here you just pick your favorite fruits and just decorate them however you want. Now is a good time to let the kids help you and choose the fruits they want on their pizzas. Now apples and bananas of course will turn a little dark, so you know that's one reason I didn't go with them. So that's something to think about if you're going to prepare things in advance. So I just decorated a couple for you to see here, but you can make these really creative and do different patterns and designs, or you can just randomly place the fruit that you like. But that's it, guys. These are so simple. So just Pillsbury sugar cookie dough, Pillsbury cream cheese icing, and fruit. So simple, so easy, and most people just really go wild over these. If you have made these before, I would love to know your recipe and how you change yours up. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone has a happy and safe 4th of July weekend.